Hello. All right, so let's go over the platform and workflow today. So you don't need to understand everything in Studio on day one. I'll go over some of the basics right here. So this is the home feed, similar to any social media feed. So it's a mix of channel media, my media, and coaching feed. Now let's get into these channels. So channel media is all content created by your organization. Browse it, but don't worry about managing it yet. My media is the only content you personally created or contributed to. This is your queue. And then over here is the coaching feed. This is where you'll find training videos from your MarketScale team. Come here whenever you have a question. If we go up here, you'll find the asset library. This is where you'll finished approved videos organized into shareable collections. Remember, it doesn't have to be videos or assets you created with MarketScale. You could store a lot of PDFs or sales PDFs or other assets from your team. Going back to your dashboard, here is the request button. This is how content gets collected from other people. This is where your first project likely starts. You'll be able to create a request and collect some video from there. The record button over here is where you're able to record your own video. First, you click the record icon, you create a room, and then you invite the people you need to invite, and then you hit record. So once your video is approved or ready to edit, you'll be able to go into, give me 1 minute. Go into Media Studio over here, and you'll be able to request an edit now. That's what you send to the editing team. And when in doubt, don't forget that you have a chatbot right here called Mark. Down here. You could ask any questions here 24/7. Feel free to use this before reaching out to your rep.